Wishing you a happy and safe Canada Day from the Rylee Ranch. Happy Canada Day. And it's also Moana's 4th birthday. Happy birthday, Moana. We're celebrating Canada Day here at the Rylee Ranch. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. It's Canada Day. Merida, would you like to join us for a Canada Day celebration? Happy Canada Day, Merida! Well, looks like the Canada Day celebration was interrupted by the rain. You guys, why are you standing in the rain? It's pouring here now at the Rylee Ranch, but that's not going to end our Canada Day celebration. Happy Canada Day from Abigail in the rain! Hi, Fernando, happy Canada Day! What are you doing out here in the rain? Lego, you enjoying the rain as well?